distant land, Tuitumbo. And Venunka. And each and every one of you gracing us here. The host communities.
To Deputy Chief of Mission of the U.S. Embassy, supposed to be Chief of Public Diplomacy, Rebecca Archer Kepper, the Country Director of U.S. Peace Corps, and Mr. Dennis McMillan, U.S. Peace Corps volunteers who have just sworn in a few minutes ago, ladies and gentlemen. Mulwinaka namaste, salam alaikum, and good afternoon to you all. Please allow me to convey my gratitude for the invitation to be part of this annual occasion. I'm deeply honored to officiate here today to witness your taking up your service of oath today. This event marks the successful completion of your 8 weeks training and as Peace Corps volunteer. You're honored today and this view of language, culture and technical aspect of youth development needed to begin your 2 years of service. This event, ladies and gentlemen, also celebrate the contribution of the communities and families and district of Namalata in the province of Tailevu, who have hosted these volunteers and supported their cultural and language integration throughout the 8-week training. For the past 4 years as a minister, I think your Tata and Nana for the next 2 years, you hope that will teach you more on tradition and customs of the Fijian. Your swearing in today brings in to 70 the total number of volunteers serving the country. As Peace Corps volunteers, you have considered deeply your future, being wholeheartedly offering your service for the benefit of others. This is undoubtedly one of the cornerstone of which the U.S. Peace Corps was founded, and I can also testify to the nature of the work that the Peace Corps actively engaged itself in. Over the years, Peace Corps programs in Fiji have included such sectors as agriculture, forestry, fisheries, environment resource management, health, education, carpentry and other skilled trades, as well as small entrepreneurship development. This year, 2018, is also special as it marks the 50th anniversary of the arrival of the first volunteers in Fiji, who were science and maths teachers. To date, approximately 2,500 volunteers have served with the objective of promoting world peace and friendship throughout cross-cultural exchange and skills transfer. All volunteers currently in Fiji are working in Community Youth Empowerment Project, which is a collaborated partnership between the Peace Corps and the Ministry of Education, Heritage and Arts, and of Youth and Sports, and the Ministry of Health and Medical Services. Through this project, volunteers work alongside their Fijian counterparts in the schools, communities, and the Ministry's office to implement programs and activities that becomes healthier and more productive lives among our youth, and which enables them to be more active, engaged in development. This endeavor will ensure the youth in Fiji have access to the knowledge, skills, and opportunities to live and develop healthy and productive lives and avoid the potential risks and challenges that they may face, such as unwanted pregnancy, unemployment, drugs and alcohol use, and suicide. It will focus on behavioral change and capacity building activities to empower youth to live more healthier lives, make healthier decisions, and gain stress to programs that support positive youth development. The American Peace Corps history, ladies and gentlemen, is enshrined in service. For more than 5 decades, the U.S. government has been sending trained American men and women who have substantially education or work experience in the area of assignment and express interest in living and working in a different country and a culture to the nation to assist in developing efforts. Fiji, throughout the years, have been fortunate, so fortunate, to receive all that you have offered. What is all the more impressive, besides the commitment to being a volunteer for 2 years in a foreign country, is the level of qualification and experience our volunteers have. This goes from people with the doctorate of or with decades of experience in establishing and running successful enterprises. All this experience and expertise benefit us enormously. It is also heartening to note that volunteers divide their time between schools and local communities where they carry out the primary activities in support of youth development. These activities such as teaching of healthy living and family life education, classes in primary or secondary schools, including topics related to sexual and reproductive health. Secondly, supporting the creation and enhancement of village youth groups to carry out youth and community development activities. Implementing youth development programs that in recreation, sports and other extracurricular activities for youth in school and community settings. I am also positive that youth will have better opportunities to impact their communities through increased access in partnership with the Peace Corps. To the veteran volunteers here today, we have solemnly promised to promote Peace Corps principles of respect and friendship across national and cultural boundaries as you serve in institutions and communities across Fiji. As you are sent out into your respective schools, training centers, and communities, please ensure that your knowledge and skills are fully utilized. Develop, integrate, and implement programs and activities that support the empowerment of youth and promote gender equity. Please also take the opportunity to learn from us, from our diverse communities, and to benefit from the culture and tradition of Fiji. I take this time once again to thank the U.S. Peace Corps for 50 years of service to the people of Fiji. And I look forward to work together in the future to contribute effectively to ensure the developing of our young Fijians. I wish to thank all past and present Peace Corps volunteers for their contribution to Fiji and our people. Therefore, truly it is more blessed to give than to receive. May your 2 years of service in our island nation bring with it all its just rewards. Contented with feeling and overall sense of achievement in there is nothing that giving your life and giving your service and yields more of a feeling of empowerment than being of service to someone in need. Thank you and binarbalik.
I promise to foster an understanding of the people of Fiji with creativity, cultural sensitivity, and respect. With creativity, cultural sensitivity,